This is a 2020 BMW K1600 B. This is one awesome cruiser. It has the 6-cylinder 1600cc engine pumping out 160 horse and 129 foot-pounds of torque. Mated to a 6-speed transmission equipped with a Quick Shift Pro transmission, which basically means you can shift up and down without the clutch. Just hold the throttle down and let her rip. The color of the 1600B is Black Storm Metallic. This bike has 1,066 original miles on the odometer. This bike needs a rider. Now, this is a very highly advanced motorcycle. Besides the awesome 6-cylinder engine, it has 3 electronic performance modes. It has 6 electronic suspension modes, so you can find a sweet spot for just about any kind of riding you want to do. You can put it in a dynamic performance mode for all-out power, a cruise mode for when you're out on the highway, or a rain mode to keep you from slipping a tire on a rainy road. Now you can also set this up through the electronics to where you can have a cruise mode, which is a softer ride for when you're running the slab, or a road mode, which stiffens it up for when you're out trying to rip the twisties. And then you can electronically adjust it for if you're a single rider with gear, or 2 up. It has Pro ABS, traction control. Just an awesome bike. Excuse me. It also has dual heated seats. The passenger has their own controls for high and low. And then the rider has their own temperature control, along with heated grips, adjustable levers, of course cruise control. It does have reverse, so if you ever get stopped and need to back up and you're in a slick spot or in the gravel, it'll help you get the bike going again. Electronic windshields, you can adjust it electrically up and down. Excuse me. Now it has some really nice options for a 2020 1600B. The BMW navigation unit has been added, which is a pretty high dollar option. The center stand, which is real handy. A RAM mount for your phone has been added. A nice windshield bag has also been added to keep maybe your wallet or your sunglasses. It has adaptive headlights, which are LED. Driving lights that are LED. Tail lights that are LED. A lot of visibility on this bike. If you're looking just to cruise across country, or if you're out ripping the twisties, or if you're wanting to drag race your buddies, this is the bike. It has a 7-gallon tank with an aircraft style fuel door. Four speakers in the front. Now the stereo system has been upgraded. It has a Rockford Fosgate 400 watt 4-channel amp in the saddlebag. Saddlebag speakers with a tweeter have been added. So you get good sound out of this. You can actually Bluetooth your phone and your music into the system, or you can plug it directly into the system in a compartment inside the right saddlebag. You can also put your phone in there and it will charge it, or set it up on the ram mount if you need to be looking at it. Nice LED lights in the back. You have a lot of visibility in the back and a lot in the front. Has a security system with a siren. There's 2 fobs. This has the standard seat, which is also the low seat. The bike is just in like new condition. Ready for the highway. Bigger shifter pads have been added to this BMW, and then also a bigger shifter or a brake pad on the other side. The stock ones are kind of small. Comes with nice stock custom looking wheels. Incredible brakes. Floorboards underneath them have an engine guard, so if you do tip over, you don't damage the engine. Now, if you've never ridden one of these K1600 Bs, you need to throw your leg over one. These bikes have incredible sport bike handling, the comfort of a touring bike, and the performance of a sport bike. These bikes will really haul the mail. For information on how to put this beautiful 2020 K1600 B in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.